Welcome guys to the hardware set info channel. In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M35, and in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. Alright, so firstly to do this we have to open our settings, and now we have to click on the sounds and vibration option. We have to choose ringtone. And now here we have to drag however we like this little dot to adjust ringtone volume, as you can hear. Now it's like this, and now it's like this. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!